Hello, welcome. Episode number 20, solving of past questions. So SSC 1996, question number 21. We are to solve for 2 cos x minus 1 equals 0, where our values of x is ranging from 0 to 2 pi. This means it is in radian, so 0 to 360. Let's focus on the degree, then we convert further. So this will give you cos x equals to 1 if you transpose this. Okay, let me maintain this. Then next is to eliminate the 2 here by dividing both sides by that. Meaning your cos of x will now be equals to 1 over 2. Remember, we need to find the x, so we find the cos inverse. So x will be equals to cos inverse of 1 over what? 2. And I believe if you do that on a calculator, we get 60. But let's check. The cos inverse of half, that is 60 degrees. Good. Now, remember, this is a continuation of all the episodes we've done. We've learned how to find other values. That is the general solution for every trig function. So, trig, cos is positive in the first quadrant, acute, and also positive in what? The fourth quadrant. So, if I have 60 in the fourth quadrant, I am going to take away 360 minus what? The 60. That will give me 300. So, I'm having 2 answers which are positive. We can still use the general solution we did in the previous episode. But these angles must be changed into radian. So, we know that so let's just start with the formula. Okay, 1 degree. Okay, let's say, but 1 degree equals to pi on 180. So if I'm changing this, I only have to multiply the whole of this by this, because this times 60 gave me this. So this times 60 will give me the reciprocal. So let me just move on to 60 degree will become 60 times pi on 180, or in degree. So this will cancel. I'll be having pi divided by 3. Then 300 degree will also become 300 times pi 180 degree. So this will cancel this. So I'm left with 35. 6 go here 5. 6 go here 3. So that will give me 5 pi on what? 3. So we are coming to check and see which ones have the value. So therefore, the value of x, right, is going to be, the first point is pi on 3, 5 pi on 3. And if you check, the answer is going to be the D. We can also use, instead of writing the degree first before putting it into radian form, we can use the general equation direct, which is giving us theta equals to 360. So 2 pi n plus or minus beta, where this beta is the tan inverse. So I can just, the cos inverse. The cos inverse of x, right from where? Here, directly. So we just put the cos inverse of 1 over 2 here directly. That is how we use the general solution formula to find all other values. So it means we have 2 values. This is in the first quadrant, this is in the fourth quadrant. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.